We are driving up Cypress Mountain Road. Going to be doing the Howe Sound Crest Trail today in winter conditions, seeing how far we can go. As you guys can see, there is a lot of snow up here already. Adjacent to the road has to be, oh, I don't know, 8 feet of snow. So it should be an interesting day. We're just getting ready to leave. The ski lifts have not quite opened. They're waiting for the first ride right now. And this gets us into the parks. We got Pat on the right. We've got Peter here with the snowshoes. Solveig and Shem up there. So we head off trail pretty quick. We've got, I've got a merino wool t-shirt on in a technical layer. Oh, you guys are gonna put crampons on already, huh?
No. You don't?
Nah.
They're mainly for the down.
What's that? Oh, the hill sound.
Yeah. No.
Crampons on now. Oh my God, they're not even close to the middle of my shoe because my shoes are huge. So near the lodge, they got it set up for snowshoeing. It's gonna be well trodden. A little later, not so much. I think we've got simply a beautiful day for doing this. All right, we got the gang all here. We're going to the Howe Sound. Hello. Hello. Lookout, which will be up ahead here. So, oh, this is the way to take advantage of your backyard for sure. Cypress over that way. Might be able to see the route.
Yeah! Just for the video we did that, right?
Yeah. It's pretty, for sure. Very pretty.
So beautiful.
So here we go. Peter's feeding the bluebirds.
Okay, I'm gonna try something.
No, yeah, on your face.
On your forehead. That'll probably work. Big dance.
Nothing but blue skies.
They actually do look different than out east. I get it. So what's the difference, blue jay and blue?
Want the blue one.
Solitaire.
Maybe want the blue one to come.
Got a little piece. Here we go.
Can I try that too?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Too many people. Hey, buddy.
Peter,
I got 3 shots.
Oh. Where we're going is, of course, St. Mark's Summit. Steep terrain, severe weather conditions. Yeah, here's the snow depth too, because there's the map.
You're gonna be YouTube famous soon. Really? Yeah. But I was with my parents, so I wanted to give them as much time as possible.
Getting beta on Kilimanjaro for maybe this summer. Should be interesting. Here's a extremely steep pitch. Should be tempting to ski down if we weren't just traversing across it. Hi, Pat.
So, Indigo, I hear you're considering Kilimanjaro. I think you should totally do it. My 60-year-old mum went up. She can do it, you can do it.
Jeez. There you go. If anything will get her going, it's Pat's 60-year-old mom doing it.
But the sunset was amazing. That was in a cloud,
yeah.
And when the sun was very down, all the cloud was so colorful, pink,
beautiful,
purple, and
wow.
So I stopped a bit before to take picture because I also got a drone and.
Oh, you got a drone with you?
Yeah.
That's why you got 2 backpacks?
Yeah, but I got my own.
Oh, you got your little sled.
Yeah. How big's your drone? Like.
Yeah, it's quite small. Yeah, you fit into that, but that plus the camera and because in my initial plan, I was supposed to make it to the Saint Mark summit
Yeah, yeah.
and to shoot the moonrise.
Oh, that'd be cool.
That was 2 days ago actually,
Yeah, 2 days,
but I for the new year I slept on top of Mont Seymour, and that was a super moon. And I saw the moon rise above the mountain, and that was so big and so beautiful. So I was thinking,
You're still stoked about it. Look at you.
yeah. So this time I bring a big lens to shoot the moon.
Yeah.
But I didn't make it to the summit.
Keep trying, you'll get some amazing shots.
What's your name?
Yeah, I know. I was exhausted because I was working on a Saturday morning. I party a bit on Friday night.
Yes.
So yeah. Yesterday I arrived at Cypress at 3, I think, and finally that's the first time where I'm doing backcountry camping here in Cypress.
Yeah.
I didn't know about the rules and about the car park where you were supposed to park. And at the moment where I was the sled and ready to go on a trail, they told me, where are you going and where did you park? I said, just here, there. And they told me, no, you go down, you bring your car back.
Yes.
And I think this half an hour I lose there, that was the half an hour I was missing to make it.
Oh, Cypress!
Yeah, anyway, now I know.
Yes, now you know.
Nice to meet you. Good luck.
Are you a professional photographer?
Not at all. I would love to.
Peter.
What's your name?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Oh, that's
Carrie.
not very French.
Nice, Jeffrey.
Geoffrey.
Jeffrey!
Geoffrey in French, Jeffrey in English, and hello, man.
We are edging our way up. Because the normal trail is not really here, you can go a bunch of different ways. So Shem's on the low road there. A lot of the course markers are just barely above the snow level. Some are below, but it gives us enough to go with just to keep moving forward. There's a course marker up there, the big tree, the orange one that you see. Snowing the biggest, most beautiful flakes. We're getting up. All right, put on some steam. Cameras on, let's go. Here they come. They've been running up the entire time. The pace is unbelievable. Snow's coming down. We are moving. Woohoo! Oh, city of millions. And we've seen one crazy French dude out here. That's it. To the summit, if this is not the summit yet, again, I'm not sure, but our view disappeared, but we've got this amazing snow, which means our way back down, gonna have a few inches of fluff to deal with, which should be kind of nice. I've been using these sort of summer poles, which don't have a proper basket on them, so they've been punching through a lot. But the conditions are such that you can float on the snow most of the time.
A little bit to the right.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Beautiful.
I'm very happy.
I just wanted to see if anyone had tracked it through this winter, and it looks like no one has. Just
Looks like we got skiers going down.
skiers have.
But who knows where they're ending up.
Unless you want to break trail for the next hour, Peter, I think this might be our turnaround.
I think you guys are still going to go through.
That's all right.
Yeah.
We will still go through. So Howe Sound Crest Trail from Cypress goes up to St. Mark's, Mountain Necessary, the Lions,
Brunswick,
Harvey. There's a couple of beautiful alpine lakes up there.
Yep.
And down to Porto Cove. It's a beautiful day. It'd be fun to try at some point when there's snow, but maybe not like this.
Not today.
Nope.
But maybe a winter traverse.
Could be.
That could be fun.
I don't know.
Now we get to run down in semi-post-holy conditions. Peter's enjoying his snowshoes because he is not post-holding, whereas everybody else probably will be. Some pretty good snow still falling. Whew. The trick is not getting in front of yourself so that if you post-hole, then you start to crater, which you don't want to do. Now, I'm probably going to punch in, but I don't know how far I'll punch in.
Is this good, Carrie, this angle?
I don't know. Yeah.
I can't see it, so.
I thought I would punch in, I didn't. I skimmed right off. That's hilarious. Woo. Look at this. Nice. That's perfect.
But you didn't hurt yourself.
Oh no, not action sequence. Come on, Pat. There he goes. Look at him, tearing up the snow. Here comes Solveig. Here comes Shem. Oh, and she's almost down. Shem coming in, hot and hard. Oh yeah. See, it's not too bad.
Yeah, I'm barely punching through.
No.
Yeah.
I'll go on the straight route too. Are you kidding? This is fantastic. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo!
I think we're good to fall line.
You see another.
I see the next crossing.
It looks like there's probably a couple bits of wood here and there, which might get caught on.
You gonna do some more filming?
Oh yeah. If you let me go in front and just follow me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. You guys follow me?
Yeah, okay.
I'll just have this up. Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Where's the next orange marker? Where do you see it?
I saw it. I didn't see a marker, but I saw
Where
tracks.
I see it, it's straight down to
Yes.
here. But if you go down that way, the wide open spot, and stay to your left, because
Okay.
I see the orange marker from here.
I'm gonna just head down kind of that
Oh,
direction.
perfect. That's exactly where you're going.
All right. That's good.
Got it.
All right.
So trend left.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Trending left. Woo! Oh my word. Woo.
I'm sliding!
Yeah, literally. Woo! 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 Woo!
Ooga chaga, ooga chaga.
Woo! Into the well.
Oh well.
Go on, Pat, straight at. Let's go. Virgin terrain. Here we go. Straight up. The very best of North Shore snow running, as demonstrated by a Sri Lankan Canadian.
Okay.
Fall line running. Woo! Oh, yeah. Woo! It's like bleeding off altitude quickly. I love the rhythm of this.
It's like slow motion.
Hold on, hold on. I don't know. I see markers this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trend to the right.
Yep. Trend to the right. Here comes Solveig.
Slow-mo walking, that's right.
Woo! Taking these big loping strides without getting your weight too far forward. I see a marker to the right. I don't see a marker to the left. Oh, I see some down there to the left too. Woo! And back on the hard pack.
Somersault.
Yeah.
Lower down and do some somersaults.
Come on, Pat. Dive roll. Dive roll.
Sorry, dude.
Dive roll.
I'll take the video.
Solvik, dive roll.
Like that?
Yeah. This is a perfect spot. Do it, Gary. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. We gotta wait for the next slope. Okay. Pat's going down the side
You
angle.
tried it before?
Try what?
Like this?
I don't go down.
Are you good?
I don't like this part.
All right, let's go. Woo. Woo. Ah, that's a good time right there.
So maybe just stop and talk.
Couple rangers going up. I guess on Thursday there was a avalanche up there. Someone had to be helicoptered out. Yep. So, making sure people are prepared with shovels and probes and beacons.
How to use them?
No, none of us have those, I think, at the moment, unfortunately. But there are 5 of us. Flat. I got one of these bad boys off. The Hill Sound crampon.
Hill Crampon Ultra.
Shameless product plug for the Ambassador Pat up there. I took one off, it's starting to hurt my toe a little running downhill. They stop you a bit too much.
I'll give them the feedback.
Oh, he's coming.
Good for going up, but down, let's keep the slide going. Hello. And we're getting back to the ski area. It's pretty flat and a little more crowded around here, but could be waiting in lines. Nice work.
And they're lighter. And
Got the Olympic rings there. And it is packed. This whole place, oh my God, it is nothing but people waiting in lines. Greetings, it's Carrie. Thanks for watching this video. I wanted to say a couple things beforehand about producing content as a very small player in the YouTube creator scene. If you would like to support content creators like us, a couple things you can do. You can subscribe to the account, that's helpful. You could also subscribe to my Instagram feed. I try and keep a steady flow of high quality positive content on the Instagram feed. I'll put the link up for you to read. You can also, if you'd like, support through Patreon. I've decided to put a Patreon account up simply because I produce so much content. It costs me so much time, money, and effort to put it up. I thought it might be nice for anybody who would like to give back to support that way. So those are the things you can do. If you survive to the end of the video, fantastic if you throw up a thumbs up or put up a comment. And if you've got suggestion for other content, places to go, adventures to have, I'd love to hear them. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoy this video. One of the things you'll see in these videos is there's a lot of variety. I go to a lot of different places. Most of the time it's because I've seen a picture or talked to someone or heard about a thing that I think is super cool. So what I would love if you have something inspiring to share, a place to go, a visit to a particular location or a landmark or geological formation, let me know. And I am certainly open to meeting people in different places and going out with them. So if you got what it takes to jump on board one of these crazy adventures, contact me.